Hey, it's just Sam here from SensatioNail. Today I have my trustworthy friend and nail expert Piera, and in today's look we are inspired by the upcoming bonfire night. So we are doing a firework kind of look that you've kind of created, right?
Yeah.
And that's going to be really exciting. I mean, what are your thoughts on bonfire night and fireworks?
Well, I really love bonfire night. It reminds me of being a little girl. My dad used to take me to a display every year, and we'd go around the fair and have sweets and, like candy floss. So it was always really fun, and I loved the displays as well.
Yeah, so for me, I actually never really grew up with bonfire night because I'm from Spain, that's the kind of upbringing I had. I actually only experienced it for the first time just under 10 years ago, and it was a bit of a shocker because I just saw a load of people burning load of things, load of fireworks in the back garden, which I'd never seen before, where people can actually purchase fireworks in the back garden. Maybe I'm just from a really small town, but I loved it. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I am a bit scared of fireworks, but I love the idea and I love the celebration and the background of it and the history. So, also to mention, we have got a 15% discount. All you have to put in the checkout is Sam Nails, but other than that, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and that bell notification button. Ka-ching! So, as you can see, before we do get started, I have gone ahead and done all my prep work. If you want an in-depth video on how to do prep step by step, go and check out the link that will be in the description below. As well as I have gone ahead and done Midnight Rendezvous. Well, my trusty old friend Piera has done 2 coats of Midnight Rendezvous on each nail, as well as you can see, there's just 2 nails that are completely black, and the rest of them have actually got over the rainbow little glitter over. So yeah, let's get to it. So the first color we're going to use is
Ride the Wave, which is like a really nice bright metallic blue. It's really, really pretty, one of my favorites. And I'm going to go in and apply that with a fine nail art brush.
You can also get many nail art brushes and dot work tools on this SensatioNail website, can't you? So that's really good. Go and check them out, because it's, once you've got them and you take care of them correctly, you'll have them there basically for a very long time.
Absolutely. So I've just applied that straight from the bottle onto the brush, and I'm going to go in and I'm going to apply some small lines. Just like little bursts, like a firework when it explodes in the sky.
That looks really easy.
Exactly.
And I like that blue.
This is just a super easy look, because literally all it is, that was a bit lumpy there, I want a little bit smoother. Literally all it is building up lines.
Yeah.
So it's very hard to go wrong with this look because it's so easy.
Yeah.
So I've applied my blue there. And I'm just going to go ahead before I go into my next colour, and I'm going to take a lint-free wipe and I'm just going to wipe my brush clean, because we don't want colour contamination.
Okay, so no colour contamination.
No colour contamination, because we want our colours to stay their colours and not be a mishmash of all the rainbow.
Yeah, so what colour are we using next?
Next colour, I've got Never Tell a Lilac. So we're going to go in with our brush again.
Will that not contaminate the blue colour that we've got going on so far, or we're just going to build it up on top?
It'll all just build up.
Yeah, because keep in mind, we still haven't cured, so everything's still wet.
Everything's still wipeable and cleanable at the moment, which is good.
Okay, so you're going from the other corner now.
Yeah, so I'm just going to apply that in some different parts of the nail. You don't have to do it all in sort of star shapes either. You can just do some random lines, because then that will be like different parts of the firework. And I'm just cleaning that off again. We're going to go in with a third colour, and that is Sun Kissed. And this is like a nice bright orange.
I love that colour. This is such, I don't think the packaging gives it enough kind of visualization of the potential. It's
for sure. It's like super summer.
Yeah.
It's like a holiday in a bottle.
Yeah. I quite liked it because we used that colour also for an autumn.
We did
Yeah.
like a nice autumn.
Yeah, because orange, any kind of orangey mustards, burnt orange, just reminds me of autumn, you know, the leaves dropping.
For sure.
So I really do like that colour. And obviously Bonfire Night is during that period, that in between, you know, autumn, winter. You're not sure whether it's cold enough for a full-on coat. Depending if you're in England, you know, obviously in England it's always cold.
Do you want to go ahead and cure those?
Okay, let's cure that. How long do I cure this for?
30 seconds.
Okay,
Just to set those in place. And then we're going to go in for a second coat on those just to really intensify the colour and make it pop, pop, pop.
So far, easy peasy.
Very easy.
Lemon
Just
squeezy.
lines. It's just lines. So I'm just going now and applying the second layers of colour.
That's brilliant. So building up that colour perfectly.
So just in the same place that I did before. So I'm going to go back in with the Never Tell a Lilac again, and obviously I've wiped my brush clean, which is super important to remember because we want nice brushes that stay lovely and clean forever.
Are you making any plans for Bonfire Night this year?
Oh, I don't know. I will have moved into my new house.
Ooh.
So maybe I'll go to a display, maybe I have some fireworks in the garden. Who knows?
So cure for 30 seconds.
So to make the bright white spark in the centre of our fireworks, we're going to go ahead and apply white lily.
And are we using, oh, okay, we're using the same brush.
Same brush, but just a little bit this time.
Okay.
We don't want too much because we don't want it to completely go over our colour. But if you just sort of start in the middle, and it doesn't need to be perfect because fireworks themselves aren't even perfect.
So cure for 30 seconds.
Again. And then we're going to go back in with our white and we're going to do some, you know, like the really short burst ones.
Okay.
When it's like a firework within a firework.
Okay. Oh yes, when the big one
like
goes
that.
and then you've got like
Yeah.
a small one inside a big one.
Exactly.
Well, those are the ones that scare me the most.
It's like bang, oh no, another bang. So we're just going to go in and do the little one now.
Okay, so we're going to cure that now for 13 seconds. 30 seconds. So we're going to go and cure that.
13 seconds.
So we're going to cure that for 30 seconds now.
Okay, and now we're going to go in with some glitter polishes. So we're going to go in with rose gold glitter and gold glitter. And we're just going to do some sort of random like long lines across there, like more bursts of fireworks. Okay, if you want to pop those in for me.
Pop them and cure them for 30 seconds.
We're going to use our marbling and dotting tool with white lily and just add a few dots here and there, and then we're going to go over for some final glitz with a thin coat of Over the Rainbow.
But obviously I want it to still fit in with, okay, so cure for 30 seconds again.
And now we're going to go in with a thin coat of Over the Rainbow. You want to put those in for 30 seconds. And finally, we're applying a layer of top coat.
Yay!
Yay! Finally, we're finished. There's been like a million layers, but it's finally top coat.
We made it.
We did it. Okay, and you can pop those in for 15 seconds.
Oh,
a bit of a difference.
So remember, always just be creative. Pick out all the colours that you want, and it's all about that build up of colour and taking the time and effort.
Okay, and it's time to apply cleanser on our lint-free wipe.
Our final and last step.
Cleanse away that tack.
This is the look, the stunning, hard work, but easy work. Lots of love and tender care from our lovely specialist, Piera. And it's gorgeous, it's stunning. So that is the amazing firework look. It was super easy to do, super straightforward. You know, you can use all your tools and all the colors we use. You can get any inspiration off of it. I mean, a firework is going to be super colorful.
Yeah.
So you can use any colors you have, literally. And yeah, I think you can't really go wrong with it. And it's a really good look. Do you agree to wear any time of the year?
It's really easy. You can wear it any time. You can change the colours to suit the seasons, and it's not overly complicated either because it's just little bursts, just little lines, but it's really effective design.
And just as a reminder, make sure to put in that nice code in for that 15% discount. Get yourself it, and also hashtag SensatioNails on some sort of inspiration, and we'll feature you on one of our videos because we love seeing your nail work. Other than that, make sure to tune in next time. See ya!